In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your CashPro app. So if you're having challenges with your CashPro app, maybe it can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot the problem. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to look for app information, and we can do so through settings. So tap on settings and then scroll down to apps. And here is my apps. Tap on it and then look for the option called manage apps. And this will open up all the apps that are on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down and look for your app, and CashPro app is here. Tap on it to open. So you can see we have the app information here, and that's what we are interested in. Alternatively, you can just long press on CashPro app and then tap on app information. It will again lead you to the same page. From here, we are interested in clearing the app data, and you can see we have clear data option here. So if I go to storage, you can see we have a lot of user data and cache data. So we are interested in clearing this cache. So cache are just small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it to enhance your experience. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So go ahead and clear them, and to do so, you can also see the clear data option is here. And then from this list, tap on clear cache and go ahead and tap on OK. And now you can see the cache data is 0. Once you have done so, go ahead and restart your smartphone and everything should be okay. Now, if that did not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and tap on Play Store and then look for your app. And our CashPro app is here. Tap on it to open. Then look for any update if it is available. Ideally, if you are using the outdated version of CashPro, you might experience some malfunctioning, and to get rid of this, all you need to do is to update your app to the latest version. So from here, look for any update from the Bank of America app and update it to the latest version. At this point, everything should be okay. Go ahead and open and log in, and you should find no problem. But should that not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh. But again, if you still face any challenge, then you might want to contact Bank of America and find out if there is any problem from their side. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to solve any problem with your CashPro app from Bank of America. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.